Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy a fish. Before bringing home a new aquatic friend, thorough preparation is key. Start by researching fish species that thrive in your specific tank size and water parameters. It's crucial to ensure your aquarium has completed its nitrogen cycle, creating a stable environment. Gather essential supplies such as a soft net, a secure transport bag, and a high-quality water conditioner to ensure a smooth transition for your new pet. When you arrive at the store, take your time to observe the fish carefully. Look for active swimmers with bright, clear eyes and fins that are fully extended and free of tears. Avoid any fish exhibiting signs of stress or illness, such as clamped fins, white spots, or rapid gill movement. Don't hesitate to ask the store staff about the fish's typical diet and the water parameters of their tanks. This information is vital for a successful integration into your home aquarium. Transporting your new fish home safely is paramount. Ask the store to bag your fish with plenty of water and a good amount of airspace. During the journey, keep the bag upright and shielded from direct sunlight or extreme temperatures. A cooler can help maintain a stable temperature. Aim for the shortest possible travel time, driving directly home to minimize stress on your new aquatic companion and ensure its well-being. Once home, the acclimation process begins. First, float the sealed bag in your aquarium for about 15 to 20 minutes to allow the water temperatures to equalize. Next, open the bag and over the course of 30 minutes, gradually add small amounts of your tank water to the bag every 5 minutes. Finally, gently net your new fish into the aquarium, being careful to discard the bag water and avoid introducing it into your main tank.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.